Good morning, dear children. Our lesson number first of civics that is going on. Today I am sharing with you the objective of for the same lesson. You should write that objectives and question answer which I am providing today in your classwork copy of civics. Got it? Explanation part which is remain that I will start from Monday onwards. Today and tomorrow. First you should write down which question answer I am providing to you. Got it, dear children? After completing the question answer, send the images to me. First, you should write the tick the correct answer in your copy properly. Tick the correct answer. Question number 1. What does democracy mean? Equal right to vote or discrimination? The answer is equal right to vote. Second, according to universal adult franchisee, every adult has one vote. You know, dear children, in the last lecture we seen कि everyone having a right to do a one vote. Third, what is not the element of equality? Which is not the element of equality? Religion is not the element of equality. Whose autobiography is Jutan? Jutan autobiography, who wrote it? Om Prakash Valmiki's. Who drafted the Indian Constitution? You know who written the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Drafted it means written. Who written the wrote the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wrote the Indian Constitution. Question number 2. Filling the blanks. Tamil Nadu was the first state to introduce the mid-day meal scheme. That mid-day meal scheme part is remain that we will see in next video. Now 2. We are represented in the parliament through our elected representatives. Means person who is on the authority means who are elected by us, they are our representatives. Representatives means जिनको हम वोट देते हैं और जो पोजीशन में आते हैं, चुन के आते हैं, वो लोग हमारे क्या होते हैं? लीडर्स होते हैं, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स होते हैं. Then our constitution recognize everyone as equal before the law. You know, dear children, every person, whether he belongs to different caste, religion or whatever, but they all are the equal before the law. The law is not special for the poor people, for the rich people. So everyone having a equal, every person having a equal law. Then when the people are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. We see in the story of Om Prakash Valmiki कि he belongs to a minority, so that his dignity violated in the school. That story we discussed in our class. Question number 3. State whether the given statements are true or false. The Ansari easily got a flat in the desired area. That is false. Jutan is an autobiography of Om Prakash Valmiki. True. Kanta borrowed money to pay her electric bill. This false. कांता ने मनी किस लिए लाए थे? For the treatment of her child. Then Rosa Parks was an African American. That is true. Then question number 4. Solve following question answer. In a democracy, why is universal adult franchisee important? In a democracy, universal adult franchisee is important because of the following reason. This question number 4, solve the following question answer. That first question, in a democracy, why is universal adult franchisee important? Don't write that question. We will see that question tomorrow again. Okay. So then your first question is what are the key elements of a democracy? What are the key elements of the democracy. The key elements of a democratic government are people's participation, the resolutions of conflict, and equality and justice. Second, equality is the main feature of the democracy. It influences its functioning. Third, who is allowed to vote in India? In a democratic country like India, all the adults aged 18 years or above, irrespective of their religion, education, caste, rich or poor, are allowed to vote. Why is Kanta happy? Kanta is happy and excited to vote because this makes her equal to others. Everyone has one vote. Listen. Only three question I shared with you. Question number 1 will be that ki what are the key elements. Second will be who is allowed to vote, and third will be why is Kanta happy. And the remaining question we will see tomorrow. Okay, I am sharing the images with you. I shared already that images. You have to see that images and write down as it is and shared me the pics. Okay, goodbye.